Hi, I'm Mike Edwards. The website is diydoctor.org.uk and we are making a series of videos about our new solution to the problem of cowboy builders. And that solution is called the Home Improver Protection Solution, or HIPS for short. And there are 5 videos in the series detailing all 5 parts of our solution. The final part is the one that we're going to talk about this morning, and that is Price Doctor. Price Doctor has been worked on for a couple of years by many tradesmen, structural engineers, quantity surveyors, and computer programmers to put together a very, very simple piece of web-based software. There's no downloads involved. You simply go on the web and access the Price Doctor software, and it will allow you to compile a quote for an extension at the moment, with many new apps to come, such as loft conversions and plastering and so on. But at the moment it's an extension. It will allow you to click through a simple set of screens, all image based, for you to be able to quote for an extension long before your builder gives you any kind of estimate at all. So you should know before the builder how much your extension costs are likely to be, and you can edit those costs. You can add and subtract windows and doors and solar panels and walls, so that you can get the extension within the budget you would like, and produce a shopping list of the materials, find out how the labour costs are broken down. It will allow you then to negotiate with your builder when he comes in with the price. It's a very complex and advanced piece of software, but made specifically for the user to use very, very easily, simply by clicking on a lot of images. You'll see a run through of the images in a moment, and we hope that you use the Home Improver Protection Solution from start to finish, including all of the parts. Use us to find your tradesmen, use our contract to work with them, use our notes to find out the questions to ask your contractor and what you should expect for them, and of course use our system, our third-party payment plan system, to keep your money safe, and of course Price Doctor to allow you to know exactly how much your build should cost. So we can see that Price Doctor is based on a series of screens with simple images that ask us to input the information in order to price the extension that we would like. On this screen, the size of the extension is put in quite easily. This is a simple rectangular extension. There are L-shaped extensions, etc., that we can use. So we'll have an extension, a 10 metre by 5 metre extension. We're asked what types of brick or stone we would like it built from, the number of rooms that we want, and how big those rooms need to be, how big our cavity is going to be. This is an important part in the design process, and how we would like that cavity insulated, whether we'd like it partially filled or fully filled. And we simply move on through this series of images. What type of floor would we like? What type of roof would we like, and do we want it hand built, or would we like roof trusses? Would we like slate tiles, concrete tiles, pan tiles? And we just move through a series of images. In this case, would we like storage in our loft? Would we like solar panels? What sort of guttering would we like? How are we going to deal with our rainwater? Shall we connect it to a rainwater harvesting system? That's very green. How are we going to deal with our mains drainage? Let's connect that to a main sewer line, and the connection is going to be 5 metres away from our house, for example. Patio door, let's have a patio door, and let's have a PVC door in the front. Let's have 4 windows of that particular type. And as you can see, we can just move through these screens very, very easily to get the result that we would like. No, I don't have any windows which need bricking up. I'd like a 2 metre knock through from my existing property to the new extension. Do we need a new boiler? In this case, I don't think we do. How many sockets did we want? So we'll have 12 sockets. It's a very, very, very simple process where you are in complete control of designing your extension, even down to the skirting boards, the carpet, the radiators, paint or wallpaper, underfloor heating, hardwood floors, laminate floors. There are so many choices, and you can design the extension that you would like just by inputting these values. Then we get a results page which tells us how much our extension is going to cost. It will break down the labour costs of our extension, and it will also break down the material costs, all of the materials that we need to build our extension. A very, very complex but easy to use piece of software called Price Doctor, and it will help you have the power to negotiate with your builder and to get the cost of your extension before he turns up.